Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make some earrings. These are the earrings that we're going to be making, but we're going to be using a Swarovski crystals, and we're going to be using this kind of cross hooks. So remember that I always put the items that I use with links in the description box. And at the end of the video, I'm going to do a breakdown that is going to show you guys how much is your investment and how much you can sell them for if you decide to do it as a business. This is a very good business where you don't need a lot of tools and you make them quick and you can resell them. This is how they're going to look if you want to sell them. So this is the look that we're trying to acquire. If you're going to do consignment for any store, you could just give them to them like this. It's really like up to you. I'm just giving you ideas. So for this video, we're going to needing these round clips, and then we're going to be using a cutter, and then we're going to be using these little pliers. Links in the description box. You're going to be using some 11 O's. And this is how they look. Let me put them on my hand and see if you can see. And if you don't know what an 11 O looks like, it's very tiny. You're going to need two 24 gauge gold plated 2-inch hairpins. And you're going to need your two earring hooks and your two pearls. In this case, I chose the Swarovski pearls. And so let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to be doing, you're going to get your hairpin and you're going to grab one of the 11 O's, and then you're just going to go ahead and put it inside, just like so. And then you're going to go ahead and get your bead, Swarovski pearl, and you're going to do the same thing with the other one. These are super fast to make. So there you go. Now what you're going to do is going to get your round pliers, and you're just going to go here, grab it there, go a little bit that way. Whatever, I'm a left-handed, so I usually go that way. And then you're going to twist it around this way, and then you're going to make your circle around. Bring your twister back, and then you're just going to go down, and you're going to grab your other tweezers, and you're going to go around that to secure it. I usually go around 3 times. There you go, 3 times. And then we go ahead and cut it right there. We're going to go ahead and make sure that the little end doesn't scratch. Here you go. So this is how your pearl looks. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and mount it on the earring. I think I need to open it a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it just a tiny bit. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside there, and I'm going to go ahead and close it again. If you choose to, you may put a little bit of glue right in there if you want to, but it's not necessary. So look at how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Well, let me just go ahead and do it so you see it again. So you just go here at the end, right there, and you're just gonna go to the side, either side, that side or this side, and then you're gonna move your tweezers this way, and then you're gonna go back around, move your tweezers back this way, and then you're going to go around between 3 and 4 times. So if you already did the first one and you went around 3 times, you need to do the same thing with the second one, because it's a pair. Just like that. So then you're going to come in and cut with your little cutters, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and squeeze Okay, and then you're going to get the other one. There you go. You go ahead and close it. And now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna package it. I don't have any more of the little clear baggies, but I'm just gonna show you like how it looks. I usually make a whole bunch and then I clean them. I just get this little soft rag and I clean them so they don't have my fingerprints. You go ahead and clean them, and then you go ahead and be very careful. You just put them in there, right in there, and there you go. Beautiful earrings. You can put your label in the bag. If you put it in a baggie, it's gonna look like this. And you can make a whole bunch of them and resell them. Okay, so here's the breakdown. Okay, you guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any comments or any questions, go ahead and add them in the comment box below. Other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.